After 4 years, when you go back to your hometown, it feels amazing. So while my route to hometown, I decided to stay for a night in Guwahati. So I'll try to show you different places in Guwahati and different marketplaces, different things to eat. So you guys keep watching and I will keep you guys posted. Guys, that's all I have from Guwahati. The fun trip begins from tomorrow. I am going to Shillong and I will stay for 2 nights in Shillong. I will go to Cherrapunji, I will go the local places in Shillong. So I would try to cover up all the best places in Shillong, of course. So in case if you guys have not subscribed my channel yet, so do subscribe my channel so that you don't lose a bit of my journey to Shillong and the beautiful places there in Shillong. So that's all from my part in Guwahati, and I will see you guys in Shillong.